Now, how to quit your job by investing in real estate rental properties, or how to be successfully unemployed. See, now when I quit my job, I had 30 plus rental properties, and it took me 9 years to get there. I bought property after property, and I want to show you every single step how to do the exact same thing. Hey guys, my name is Dustin Heiner with Master Passive Income. I'm super excited you're here with me. I want to show you how to quit your job by investing in real estate rental properties so you never, ever have to work a job again. Now, the first step when you're going to be buying real estate, when you're going to be looking to quit your job, is to buy the right property. You want to buy the right property, but before that, we want to build the business. So the first thing you're going to do is build the business first. Now, when I say build the business, it's calling up property managers, calling up realtors, calling up wholesalers, contractors, inspectors, mortgage brokers. You're going to call up everybody that's going to help you set up this business, and they're going to run the business for you. So when you have this business built up, let's say you're going to invest in another state, which I love investing in other states. I was in California when I first started investing, and I bought my house in Ohio, thousands of miles away from me, and I had my business run itself because I have other people doing the work for me. Now, as you're building the business, you're calling up all these people. You need to interview every single one of these people. So let's say you're finding in Memphis, Tennessee, and you want to start investing there. Call up 5 property managers, interview every single one of them, pick the best one. Then get 2 or 3 realtors on your side looking for properties for you. You definitely want to do that. On top of that, you now want to get handymen. You want to find handymen. They're going to be the ones that are actually fixing up the property. You also want to find wholesalers, and I have a whole video. You check out the description for how to do wholesaling. I have a whole bunch of other videos for you to learn how all this stuff works. But if you get wholesalers, they're going to be sending you deals just like a realtor. They're going to be sending you deals, which is phenomenal. I love making money when a wholesaler sends me a property. So we're going to get these people. We're going to get home inspectors. We're going to get roofers. We're going to make sure we have all the people to call. We've already interviewed them. We know they're going to work out great. Then we start looking for properties. So first, building the business. Next, we look for properties. And remember, we are realtors, our handymen, even our wholesalers. Everybody's looking for properties for us because we're investors. Let's say now you find a property. After you find a property, now what you want to do is you actually want to have your property manager take a look at that property. Once you find that property, you make sure the property manager is okay with it, and then you buy the property, making sure that you add up all your expenses and find your income, which is your rents. That difference there is your passive income. So let's say all of your expenses is $800, but you're renting it for $1,100. Well, that's $300 in passive income that you are going to make every single month on this business with this one property. Now, this is not hard. This is just elementary school math. You have addition, subtraction, and a little bit of multiplication. Remember, addition, you add up all your expenses, your mortgage, your taxes, your insurance, all these other things. You add them all up. That's your expenses. Then you have your income. Figure out what your income is. Talk to your property managers. They're going to know how much you could rent it for. Your realtors should know how much you could rent it for. And you're going to know the top and the bottom. Then you're going to subtract both of those, and then you have your passive income. Now, when I say it's a little bit of multiplication, in order to quit your job, you need to multiply that out to however much it's going to take to replace your income. Now, if you're making, and this is what I tell all my students, you want to make $250 or more in passive income from every single property that you buy. You definitely do not want to make any lower than that. That's the bare minimum. Now, you got to be patient. Be patient. You will eventually find properties that you can make that passive income. Now, what you do is you buy that property. You buy that property, you make $250 or more a month, and then to quit your job, you just multiply that out. Let's say you need $2,500 a month in passive income to quit your job. Let's say you're making $2,000, $2,500 will put you $500 or more, and that's literally cash in your pocket. It's not before taxes and all that sort of stuff. That's literally cash. All you need to do is buy one property at $250 a month. Then you need to times that by 10. So 10 properties at $250 a month is $2,500 a month. Can you believe that? That's $30,000 a year if you bought 10 properties. Now, if you had 20 properties, that would be $60,000 a year. It just keeps growing and keeps compounding. It gets better. You just got to figure out, number one, your expenses in total for your life. and to find out how many properties that you need in order to quit your job to be successfully unemployed. Number one, you figure out all your expenses. So you add up everything that you spend on every single month, from your rent, or if you have a mortgage, your cell phone bills, your insurance, your car payments, your gas, everything like that. You add up everything that you need to live on. That's your total expenses. And then you just buy enough properties to meet those expenses. And then once you have those expenses met, why do you need to work anymore? You can just continually buy more properties. So what I did was I bought property after property. I bought one property one year. The next year I bought two properties. Next year I bought three properties and just kept growing after that. In 6 years, I had 19 properties making me $6,500 in gross rents. And I think the passive income was about $4,500 from those 19 properties. Now I have 30 plus properties, and it just keeps making more money and more money to me, and I keep buying more properties. Now what's great is as you quit your job, you have more time to now buy more properties, to do more things, to make more money, to buy more properties. See, everything that I do in every business goes to buying more rental properties because I want to provide great housing for people at a good price that pays for my lifestyle. I make $250 or more every single month on every single property. Some properties I literally own cash. I own them outright, and I make about $500 or $600 every single month because I don't have a mortgage anymore. Over time, you pay those off. And the great thing on top of that, getting passive income, paying it off, you can literally pass that down to your kids. This is generational wealth that you're building. So this is how you quit your job. You build the business first. You buy the right property that's making you $250 or more, and then you multiply that over and over and over again. And I want to show you how to do it. Check in the description. I have a free real estate investing course, masterpassiveincome.com/free course. I want to give that to you. Click on that link, but also subscribe to this channel. Watch this video. I want to show you how to do even more great things in real estate. All right, guys, we'll see you next time.